Google has quietly rolled out an Android Auto update that's turning heads, mostly because it makes life behind the wheel just a little easier. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The buzz first started on the Android Auto subreddit, where drivers quickly noticed that Google Maps is now more friendly for smaller in-car screens. The most noticeable feature was a handy report button. With this, drivers can report crashes, police sightings, traffic jams, and more directly from the console. No fumbling with their phone required. The update's been rolling out gradually over the past few days, with some users reporting it as recent as October 21st. There's more than just the report button. Google also relocated the Maps guidance audio button into the app settings, likely to make some space for the new community-powered feature. Meanwhile, the suggested destinations menu no longer expands automatically. Now it opens a full-screen search when tapped. Not everything is good though. Earlier this month, users noticed the disappearance of Android Auto's charming mini-games. These bite-sized HTML5 games were perfect for keeping kids or yourself entertained during traffic jams. Google seems to be shifting focus more towards fully featured games like Candy Crush, Soda Saga, and Angry Birds in the car. Google also teased to add Gemini for Android Auto, designed to understand drivers' needs through natural conversations much better than the old assistant's capabilities. In short, this update is a gentle shift towards a safer, more connected ride where reporting traffic and navigating efficiently is as easy as a tap on the screen. Have you noticed any of these features in your Android Auto? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.